Yes guys, welcome back to a new video, and today, as you can see from the title of this video, inshallah me and my family will be going to Makkah and Madinah to perform Umrah. Inshallah I will be vlogging my journey and what we get up to whilst we're there in the blessed lands. This is my first time going to the blessed lands, so inshallah I'll be learning as we go along and showing you guys what we get up to as well. Let's get this blessed journey started. Feeling right already?
No, I'm hungry.
I know.
When you're always flying, you always want to try, like, so you go to Doha airport or somewhere, yeah? Muslim one, you always want to try McDonald's or something, but you're never hungry. So you end up buying it and then you don't eat it, you eat like half of it.
How are you feeling that you're going Umrah? First time?
Yeah, very good, very good. Very nervous.
Yeah, we didn't. You didn't mention there was actually. It's quite busy the airport. Look at that flipping line. But we went through security and checked in within half an hour. So
yeah,
alhamdulillah.
Going to Umrah as well.
All you lot, yeah.
MashaAllah.
MashaAllah. How do you know in the mine?
Yeah, you never know.
Go on, where you going then?
I always get a beef burger from these lot.
Alhamdulillah, just had a nice munch. Yeah. And if you want to see our review for Archie's, watch the Pakistan vlog from last year. Me and Sohail, my boy Sohail.
No new one not coming out.
Yeah, no. It's the same review as last year, so if you want to see the review, go watch that. I don't know about ihrams and stuff, where we're putting it on. Where we're putting ihram?
Just ahead. When you go ahead, take a left, take a right. Special route there.
You're putting it on from here, yeah?
No.
I still don't know yet whether you're putting it on an airplane or here, but
we'll see.
You guys will find out in due course. Make sure you're not watching any movies, yeah?
I will watch Cocomelon.
Cocomelon. Just making sure these kids don't be watching movies on the journey. Oh, kabhi hashi kabhi gham. What is going on here? Don't worry guys, I'm here, man. Making sure they don't watch movies. You know, I know what you don't want to see. The actual Umrah, what we do in Makkah, inshallah, and shave. We're gonna go about this is going.
Being given a nice present because I'm VIP.
What have we got here then gone?
So as they know,
This is also for you.
oh,
Jazakallah.
they know who we are.
Nice water.
Yeah. So they give us a present. I can't open it. Oh, no wonder I can't open it. No break is bro.
Come on, bro.
I can't wait.
We'll be back after the break.
A few moments later.
Amaan, what we got then? He's finally managed to open it.
Finally managed to open it. Got some jalaba, bro. I need to use some jalaba. We got some earplugs because you know Amaan snores a lot. So when he starts snoring, then he'll definitely eat these. Even if you're watching the video, even if you watch the video, get these at that because you're gonna eat it. What's next one? What we got? Ah, yeah, wait. Ye to puna.
On top of your glasses.
And then we got some dental kit because you know they say my breath stinks a bit. What they got? Like
It looks like a miswak type. Oh no, it's
no,
not.
it's a brush with a little toothpaste. That's it. That. Keep that. What have you got? Use this in the hotel.
Very good.
Very good. Saudi Airlines 7.5.
Dinner time. No rosa?
Not today, man.
Argan.
So what's this? We got some butter as well.
I don't think I can hear you, mate.
So we got some lamb. I don't know something with lamb with rice. Looks like biryani.
Do a fizzy did, yeah? Put it in that bun.
No, I'm not putting that. And then
Bro.
Looks like keema and peas or something. Or it looks just like salad or something. Shall I try this?
I'm focusing.
Some sort of salad. It's alright.
Very nice. What's this? What's this?
It's a bun. It's a bun. It looks nice, look. There's some cheesecake or something.
Very nice. How much is it for?
£2.50.
£2.50.
Yeah. Lovely, yeah. It's kind of blunt in a way. It's like having kofte, you know kofte?
Yeah.
But not like that. Lightly seasoned kofte, basically, with some chawal.
Is it edible?
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, that's the good thing. Ihrams are on. We're doing wuzu. There was a wuzu area, the toilets, they are clean. And there is a area to read Nafil and we Ihram on, which we have done. And many people in the airplane did. Ready, yeah?
Yeah, I'm ready, man. I'm ready.
Yeah, we've got an hour and a half left, and then we're going to land in Jeddah airport, and then from then on, after the blessed lands of Makkah, inshallah, to do our Umrah.
عفوك إني لمدة يداي نزعت أسرار قلبي جئت ألقي أساي أباه عفوك إني لمدة يداي نزعت أسرار قلبي ألقي أساي وأشتكي طي صدري.
Alhamdulillah, Umrah complete. How does it feel? How was the experience?
Really good, man. Really good.
Obviously, for understandable reasons, I couldn't record that much. Tried what I could, and now it's time for bowls.
So, bowling laps.
Are you 100% sure you're gonna do it? Yeah?
No, I'm not gonna do it.
He's still unsure about it. I'm joking. What's that to be unsure about?
به بدأت ولكن لم أدر ما منتهايا لم أدر يأسي فيه ولا عرفت هدايا ولا عرفت ظلامي ولا عرفت ضحايا ولا لغيرك دوايا رب يوم الندايا يا
Alhamdulillah, Umrah complete. Shaved our heads. Yeah, look how I didn't show you your bald head. Yeah, we'll save him this time. We'll save him.
I can show my bald head. I don't mind.
Sorry.
If you want to see my bald head, give us 50 likes. How many likes?
70 likes.
Yeah.
Well, it has to be not flipping in our whole year within the first
2 weeks.
2 weeks. By the time the third vlog is out, inshallah weekly vlogs, yeah, so subscribe. So by the time the third vlog is out, if this gets 70 likes, we're showing you that 100%. This is the end of the first vlog. If you did enjoy this, drop a like, subscribe, and if it did help you out in any way, share it to your family, friends as well, inshallah. And yeah, we'll see you in the next vlog. Assalamu alaikum.